Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to customize always on display on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or any other One UI 8 device. By default, when you lock your Samsung device and tap on the screen, you can see the always on display clock, image, fingerprint on your device. If you want to change this or hide it or add another item, follow this tutorial. So open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down until the lock screen and AOD. Here you can see the lock screen and AOD. Tap on it on your device. Now tap on the always on display. Here you can see, make sure to toggle on this option to show the always on display. Now you can see show now bar on the always on display. If you want to hide it, just toggle up it to hide the now bar from the always on display. Here show lock screen clock. This will remove your downloaded AOD and show the lock screen clock on the always on display. So if you want to apply the lock screen clock style on your AOD, you need to select this option on a device. In this, let's see, when we tap on the screen, you can see the always on display clock and image. But in my lock screen, this type of clock style available. So if you want to set this type of clock style on the AOD screen, you need to use this feature. So lock screen clock. So tap on remove to remove the always on display image, and it will automatically set your lock screen clock style. Now this is the main setting. When you want to show always on display clock notification other info, so tap to show auto. It will automatically show on your device always, so automatically always display. Here you can set the schedule, start time and time, or for a new notification only. So select the option you want to show always on display on your device. So we select the tap to show option. So this is all about always on display. If you want to turn it off, just toggle up it to turn off the always on display on your device. Or if you want to show the AOD screen, just enable it to enable always on display on your Samsung S25 FE or any other Samsung device. So this is all customization setting you can apply to customize always on display on your Samsung S25 FE device. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.